Hey guys, Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior here. Welcome aboard. The flight we got planned on today is in 3133 Quebec. Let me show you what the plan is to head up north up the Connecticut River into Class C airspace and head over and do some navigating around the little notch in Connecticut. So come along for the ride with me as we start up and take off. Thank you.
Number 3, take it back. Brendan Tower, runway 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, 3, Quebec. Alright, going up the Connecticut River today. It's going to be a nice calm flight. Gotta stay relaxed.
Number 313, take it back. Contact Brett approach 123.905. Make sure you spell out your plans with him, please.
Understood. Spell out the plan through Quebec, thank you. Bradley, departure Cherokee 3133 Quebec, 1 mile north of Brainerd, 1,200 climbing 2,000.
1311 Quebec, Bradley, departure, radar contact, Bradley, 2993.
2993.
I'm going to take it back to exactly where do you want to go?
Cherokee 33 Quebec, I'm going to track the river, and then once I hit Massachusetts, I'm going to take a left, heading 285. I'm going to try to maintain between 1,800 and 2,000 the whole time. And so this is my first time in Class Charlie, so please bear with me.
No problem. So you just want to follow the river north down to the state border, then turn around, then head back southbound. Are you going to be following the river, or are you going to be overflying Bradley?
33 Quebec, I'm going to video the river, and then follow Massachusetts Connecticut border to the notch, and then come back through the VFR transition, head back to Hartford.
Okay, right. So you want to go to the notch and then back down. Gotcha.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate your help. This is going to be nice.
Bradley approach, good morning, Air Shuttle 6056, 14.5, descending Madison, 11,000 with Oscar.
Air Shuttle 6056, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 2993, expect a visual approach runway 24.
903, visual 24, Air Shuttle 656.
November 3133 Quebec, contact Bradley Tower 120.3, get it?
120.3, thank you. Please take it back. Bradley Tower, Cherokee 3133 Quebec. We are 1,900.
Cherokee 3133 Quebec, Bradley Tower, altimeter 2993, precision question.
2993, thank you, sir. Please take it back. Alright, we're at 2200 here. 1,900. Very stable and calm day today. Passing Bradley to my left. There's Bradley right there. And there's the river, right over the river. This is beautiful. Check this out. There is runway 33 over at Bradley. I landed there on Saturday with Larry from CAPFA. RNAV approach to runway 33. So we're at 1,900. We're following the river. Following the river north. There's our squawk code, it's 5240. Airspeed. There's our ground speed. There's our altitude. There's Massachusetts ahead. All right, we're getting close to the Massachusetts-Connecticut border coming up. I'll be making my left to the notch. We'll do the notch today.
Bradley Tower, gears to 978 Victor with you, 3,500 heading to our Springfield pad.
Gears to 978 Victor, Bradley Tower, altimeter 2992, be on course.
992 on course.
Let's see if I can get this nice left turn here, right at the border. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Bradley Tower, Cherokee 313 Quebec, requesting a left turn to 280 to climb 2,500.
9153 Quebec, excuse request.
Proceed to request at 33 Quebec. Climbing left turn. All right, time to trace the Connecticut to Massachusetts border.
978 Victor, traffic 12 o'clock and 6 miles north or westbound at the moment. They're doing some air work, 2,400, climbing to 3,500 is a Cherokee.
We're looking 70 Victor.
Cherokee 3133 Quebec, traffic 5 miles southwest of your position is a Augusta 139 helicopter at 3,500 northeast.
33 Quebec looking for traffic, and 33 Quebec is leveling off at 2,500.
Roger, 2,500. Number 978 Victor, traffic will be leveling off at 2,500.
70 Victor, roger.